guys, it's me Sarah. I'm going to do part 6 of Noah's Ark, the Great Flood. So yes, also you guys don't know, if you guys are new, I have a learning disability. I'm going to read best I could, and I'm going to describe to you how I read my Bible verse. And so yes, and here we go. The Great Flood. The Lord said to Noah, "Come to the ark, and you and all your household will be cast, and I will see that you and your righteousness before me in the garden. You will still take with of your 7 each of every clean animal, female and female. Take 2 each of animals are unclean, a male and his female. Also 7 each of birds of the air, female and male, and keep of the space alive of the face of the earth. For the 7 more days I will cast the rain on the earth 40 days and 40 nights, and I will joy from the face of the earth, and all the living things that will have made." And Noah did actually what did all that the Lord commanded him. Noah was 600 years old, and food, water was on the earth. Flood waters was on the earth. So Noah with his sons and his wife and his son's wife went to the ark because of the water on the flood. They and the best after creepy things that creeps on the earth, after all the kind and everything birds, after the kind and every bird ever spot, and they went to every ark on the Noah's 2 by 2, all the flesh and the which wash off the beach of life, breath of life. So those on the entrapment, male and female of the flesh, went to the Lord had commanded him, and the Lord shut him in. Now the flood was on the earth 40 days. Water included filled up on the ark, and it rose high above the earth. The waters crowded and floated up and get higher and higher, and so no one can breathe or anything. The ark moved about on the surface of the wave, and the water pressed expressly on the earth, and the high hills under the whole heaven were covered. The water 50 feet. Ooh, that's a lot. It's hard for me sometimes to say that. That's the long word. Were covered. All the flesh died, so men died, and the water moved the earth, birds, creeper beasts, and every creepy thing creepy on the earth, every man and all the man and spirits of life were dead land die, so he lived things which were on ground, both man and their creepy things, birds and in the air, and they were on the earth. Only Noah and there were with him on the ark remained alive, and they were water spread on the earth on the 150 days. 100. So it's 150 days. So this happened in 150 days when the earth flooded and died everything on earth. Creepy things and beasts and animals and all that. The unclean animals and people. Except Noah and his family and the clean animals. So they die. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm going to do part 7 someday. Alright guys, this is it. Alright. I just want to say other thing. I want to see you guys pictures of the Great Flood. And so yeah, and if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe and to see the other videos and other videos in the future. And so yeah, and don't forget the about of this YouTube channel and the links, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And so yeah, and so have a good day, y'all.